Unveiling Stories: How to Use Textual Evidence in Literary Analysis. Hello there, literature enthusiasts. Today, we'll embark on an exciting journey to uncover the magic behind textual evidence. Have you ever read a piece of literature and wondered, how can I prove my point? Well, using textual evidence in a literary analysis is like having a secret weapon in your argument. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at pulling the right strings from the text to support your analysis. Textual evidence refers to the specific details, quotes, descriptions, or examples from a text that support the points or arguments you make in your writing. Think of it as the proof that backs up what you're saying. For instance, if you claim a character is courageous, you'd need to find a part in the text where that character displays bravery. 1. Credibility. Using textual evidence lends credibility to your analysis. It shows that your claims are not just personal opinions but are grounded in the text itself. 2. Clarity. It helps your readers, or listeners, see exactly where in the text you're drawing your ideas from. This makes your argument clearer and more convincing. 3. Connection. By directly linking your analysis to the text, you create a strong connection between your interpretation and the author's words. Choosing the right evidence is like choosing the right tool for a job. 1. Relevance. Make sure the evidence directly supports your point. If you're discussing a theme of loneliness, don't pick a quote about the character's favorite food, unless it's relevant in some way to loneliness. 2. Representative. Ensure the evidence represents the text as a whole. Avoid cherry-picking quotes that may distort the author's intended message. 3. Concise. While it's tempting to use long passages, often a short, well-chosen quote can be more effective. Once you've chosen your evidence, it's crucial to weave it seamlessly into your analysis. 1. Introduce. Before presenting your evidence, set it up. Example: as Hamlet grapples with the idea of revenge, he notes. 2. Quote. Insert the evidence, ensuring it's verbatim, word for word, from the text. Place quotation marks around it. 3. Explain. After presenting the evidence, explain its significance. Answer the question, so what? Why is this piece of evidence important to your argument? Remember the formula: introduce, quote, explain. IQE. There you have it. With these techniques in hand, you're ready to elevate your literary analysis through the strategic use of textual evidence. Always remember, it's not just about quoting the text, but about choosing the right evidence and integrating it effectively into your argument. Happy analyzing, and until next time, keep those pages turning.